Alright, so I feel like we've traveled this road many times for Mickey's Not So Scary, and even last year for the Very Merry. It's raining, so we decided to do our intro here, given we're not sure what the weather's going to be like.
Well, it looks like it's going to rain for the whole night.
But we're going to make the best of it.
Yeah.
So we are going to take you along to the dessert party. This is the pre-firework.
Well, it's the only one they're actually offering during the party.
Okay.
They have the treats and seats, and then the Plaza Garden View, which is what we've got.
So fireworks are going to go off no matter what.
Yeah.
Nothing's going to cancel them.
Everything else is a big question mark right now.
We shall see. So anyway, we're going to bring you along to Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. Rain or shine, here we go. Of course, this way to Very Merry. Alright, and this is what you're looking for if you want to get your cookies. They're for sale too, if you want them.
Guys, for sale?
Alright, let's go get our ornament. That's new. Alright, so off to the right, while you come in this way, is where you get some ornaments. So love it.
You're good.
Thank you. And that's what you get. I don't remember ever getting this.
Oh, and it's got 2022 on the back.
Awesome.
That's awesome.
All right. That's a little cool touch. All right, Mama, if it's like this,
We can live with this.
I can deal with this. I think it might happen. If it's like this,
Well, Christmas miracles happen, right?
it may happen. We may get a full stage show. We might get a parade. If it's,
That'd be great.
we'll just see. But I can live with this. A little chilly, but hey, it's okay.
Chill. If it keeps the rain away.
We'll take it.
Yeah.
So like we said, we have booked the dessert party. This is where they have the treat and seats. Might have got that backwards. On this side. And this side is where we'll have our treats before we go see the fireworks. All right, we're gonna go eat for the first time at Liberty Tree Tavern. All right, let's go do it. I'm surprised we've never eaten here before. Family style. Let's go do it. And our table is ready. First time at Liberty Tavern.
Alright, so our wonderful server has explained that we get 3 courses here, and this is a family style meal. Since it's our first time, we didn't know. So she brought a nice salad, and this has got a honey shallot vinaigrette, that's their house dressing, and then a whole basket full of yummy looking rolls with some butter on the side. Alright, so now we're on to our second course. This is the Patriots platter. This is served all you care to enjoy. Somewhere on here is some roast turkey. I think that's right here. Pennsylvania pot roast, oven roasted pork, mashed potatoes. I believe he said meatloaf, seasonal veggies, herb stuffing, and mac and cheese. And I see tons of green beans too, so looking good.
What did you like?
I loved everything. My favorite is the stuff, my dearest.
Yep, everything has been really good. I think my favorite, I did like the stuffing, the mashed potatoes, the mac and cheese are good. Of course, all the carbs. But the turkey breast with the gravy on top, that was delicious. And the pot roast has also got very good flavor.
All right, Breezy girl. What did you like?
Stuffing, just the stuffing, and
Just the stuffing and nothing else. I thought the stuffing was great too, but I really like the pot roast. Like my dearest said, I thought that was fantastic. So good meal so far. Can't wait for the dessert.
Alright, we are going to try the Ooey Gooey Toffee Cake, which looks really delicious.
All right. Since you're our dessert expert, how was the toffee?
It is amazing. It's not the best, but it's very nice.
Very nice. All right, Mama, what did you think?
So we like coffee. This is a very good dessert. The ice cream on top really adds to it. Does it make our top list of desserts? I don't think so. But I think it was a good way to end this meal. I'd eat it again.
So onward to Mickey's Very Merry Christmas. No, good dinner. Good way to start off. Got some dessert to come, so That was like I guess a pre-warm-up dessert. So hopefully it's not raining, and we're gonna do some very Merry Christmas stuff. So let's go. Maliki liki maka is the thing to say.
Yeah.
And look how pretty the projections on the castle is. Everything's all decked out here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So the teacups are one of the overlays, just like with the Halloween party. You can hear some of the Christmas festive music. There we go, some Christmas overlay. All right, we're gonna go into Monster's left floor. This is a little holiday overlay here at Mickey's Very Merry Christmas.
You better fill the can this time, or else.
Oh, else what?
Naughty list.
No, Florida. Okay, that is where the elves come down the chimney and they go into your refrigerator and they steal the mayonnaise and the ketchup and then they squirt it all over the iconic North Pole.
Hey.
Okay, now that you guys are here, I have a secret to tell you. Yeah, I have powers. The kids back home, they call me telepathetic. So I'm saying that inside this box here is the ultimate holiday surprise for one of you humans. And I am going to use my psychedelic powers to find that human right now. Test your powers. Okay, let's tell everybody in the audience what your ultimate holiday surprise is, but let's do it with them now. Can you make the sound of a magical reindeer? It goes like this. Can you make a funny sound like that? Is that on your list, Roz?
Well, I guess it's a holiday bonus for the one responsible.
Oh yeah? So what do I get?
Not you, Wazowski. That guy. Give him a big hand.
How cute is this Merry Christmas Stitch bus? Alright, so one of the first treats we're going to do is some hot cocoa. So let's go do it. Alright, so rather than hot chocolate, it is apple cider. Alright, first sip, apple cider. Good? Good? Wow, that downed that. Holy crap. And there's what it looks like. A little cookie. I like those cookies, I'm telling you. And apple cider. Alright, it's raining a little bit, but we're going to go check in at the dessert party right now. Because that starts at 8:30, but it's sprinkling, but I still don't think we're going to do a show. Fireworks are going to go, but I don't think we're going to do a show. So this is where we're going to head to. Only this is for the Merry Christmas one. Alright, so we really didn't talk a lot about our dessert party. I showed a little bit, but it was very cold.
And rainy.
And rainy. But a lot of the usual desserts that you have.
Yeah, they had some great offerings. I think one of the perks for grown-ups is the alcoholic beverages are included, so a lot of people indulge in that. But they have plenty of non-alcoholic options too, and then lots of little treats. We did show those. And of course, the reserved viewing, which is what we were going for in the Plaza Garden. So.
And I didn't do a good job of showing that, just to give you location. We've showed it before in our enchantment dessert party. But basically it's the grassy area just above or just in
Right
front
in
of Plaza.
Plaza.
Yeah, so that's where we are. And then for the most part, people, once they open up, because there's little gates there, that's for handicapped. There's not a lot of handicaps. They'll open up and then people kind of come forward. So there's quite a bit of room.
There's quite a bit of room. Value for what we got, I probably wouldn't do it again. We had done this for one of the Halloween parties. I think our paralyzing factor this time was just the weather.
Yeah.
So we missed out on the earlier parade because we were actually at the dessert party. So for the cost and what we actually got, given that it was a bad weather night, if I could do it
Well,
over again, I think we would have skipped it.
The value is you don't have to mess around with the crowds in the
Yeah.
hub. That's the value, period. And the fact you get desserts, that's just icing on the cake. But if you have little ones, this is probably a pretty good deal.
But I think with the rain and everything, the crowds weren't as bad for this party.
All right, so I realized in editing I didn't do a good job of introducing the fireworks, actually called Minnie's Wonderful Christmas Time Fireworks. So let's go back and take a look.
Oh my goodness, I can hardly wait! With all the holiday magic to celebrate this time of year, I'm so happy we get to spend it with all of you! And there's no better time to celebrate than right now! Of an intro. So we did get to see a snippet of Mickey's Most Merriest Celebration.
It was really just the ending. It is a very much longer show than what we showed, but it was raining, but we got to see something. So let's go back out and enjoy just a little bit, the last actual, I think, number of that show.
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Blitzing and all his reindeer pulling in all the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. So jump in bed, cover up your head, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
Oh, I love when friends come together at Christmas time.
That's what makes the holidays so special.
Whether you're far apart
Or making new traditions.
Wherever you find love, it feels like Christmas. It's in the singing of the street corner choir.
It's going home and getting warm by the fire.
It's true wherever you find love, it feels like Christmas.
a cup of kindness that we share with another.
A sweet reunion with a friend or a brother.
In all the places you find love, it feels like Christmas. Special time of caring, the ways of love made clear. It is the season of the Spirit. The message, if we hear it, is make it last all year. Make it last all year. It's true wherever you find love. It feels like Christmas. You find love.
So, and by the time the parade started, we did not get the full version of the Christmas parade. So we got the rainy day Christmas cavalcade. So got to see a little bit of Santa Claus and some of those things. But anyway, let's go back out and enjoy that. This is the rainy day version. Alright, so thank you for joining us for another rainy Mickey's Very Merry Christmas. Can't ever predict them. Disney can't predict them. Now, if we did have some time slots, we could have probably gone and asked for a refund or actually asked to change the date. That is a possibility. But I think we were just dead and we were so out of it on that particular night. But anyway, just know that is an option. But anyway, nevertheless, thank you for joining us. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and onward to our next adventure.